The mean of a data set is the measure of center that can be thought of as the balancing point for the values in the data set. For example, the values in the table can be used to answer the following statistical question. How did Kyle's last 5 math quiz scores vary? A point can be plotted on the line plot for each value in this data set. This visual representation of the data distribution shows the variation in Kyle's math quiz scores. Without any calculations, the spread of this data ranges from 91 points to 98 points. The center of this data distribution can be estimated, and the shape of the data distribution can be identified as mostly flat, which is common for small data sets. The mean, which is often called the average, can be calculated by finding the sum of the quiz scores and then dividing by the number of quiz scores. Once the mean is found, the distance from the mean of each value in the data set can be calculated and listed in the table. Notice that the distances above the mean are listed in one row of the table, and the distances below the mean are listed in a different row. When the sum of the distances above is compared to the sum of the distances below, the totals are the same because the mean can be thought of as the balancing point for the data set. Note, outliers in a data set can skew or change in an unrepresentative way the mean for a data set. The median of a data set is the measure of center that is the middle value, or the value that splits an ordered data set into an upper and lower half. For Kyle's math quiz scores, the 5 scores can be ordered from least to greatest. When the number of values in the data set is odd, pairs of values in the data set can be marked off until the middle value, or median, is the one remaining value. When the number of values in the data set is even, pairs of values in the data set can be marked off until there are 2 remaining values. The median is found by calculating the mean of the middle 2 values in this ordered data set. So, the median for a data set with an even number of values is halfway between the middle 2 values in the set. Note, the median is affected much less by the presence of outliers in the data set.